Hey everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life here to share with my How to Kill a Kit with Style for June, and we will see how much of this I get used. I'm taking a step back with the possibility of moving and all that fun stuff. I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done, but I'm going to try. So I am going to use this beautiful collection from Altenew that I purchased a long time ago and I haven't touched yet. It is called Live Your Dream, and it's beautiful. So I got the whole collection pack. I was able to order it through Christina, so pretty excited. There's a bunch of embellishments to start with. So there's words like celebrate, hooray, so maybe a couple birthday layouts will be in here. It's got that watercolor effect on it. It's really pretty. So I've got the die cuts and these really fun wood epoxy buttons that I just love. So we'll figure out how I'm going to use them because I do struggle with these, but they're so pretty I had to get them. I also have the chipboard stickers. So again, with the pretty florals and the watercolor look to them, which is why I purchased it. And there is a back side which has some hearts, another hooray, some leaves, and hearts and stuff. And then these are clear stickers, so I'll probably put them on a piece of white cardstock and cut them out, but they're just the beautiful florals. There's an alpha that comes with it, a nice tiny one, so I love that. I'll probably include different alphas as I'm scrapping, but that was within the kit too. So those are the embellishments and all of that. And then the paper, there's kind of a little look at it, but I'll give you a closer look. And I love this paper. It's so like smooth. You would have to have a slick writer to write on it. That's kind of how it is. So there's this really fun stripe. And then there's this one, which makes me think of water. Maybe a fun like layout of Jackson with that. This one is probably my favorite. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. But look at the back side. Oh, so pretty. So nice little water. So it's like I don't have to do mixed media. That's why I kind of love this collection. This one makes me think of like tropical, definitely summertime feel. And there's this side, which is very pretty as well. I will probably use this side. Here's some of the beautiful leaves. I see that being fussy cut out. Because chances are I wouldn't use this side. This isn't really me. So maybe not so much. So chances are I will fussy cut that out. Here's the same florals, but like on the outside border there. And that's beautiful. I'm sure I can find a way to use that. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this one right here. It's kind of like a flower zoomed in, eh? It's very beautiful. And some of this. I can't help but run my fingers over this paper. This is very bright and bold and not me, but it's pretty. And then green on this side. So we'll see how I'll use this piece. This is my challenging piece so far. I love this piece. So pretty. I'll find a way to use that for sure. And there's this very dark. I'm not sure how I would use this side. So most likely this beautiful side that I like. And then you get, thankfully, the patterns all over again. So I have the options of using either side if I have a hard time picking, which a few of them I did. So some can be fussy cut out and others I can use for the full sheets. So a modestly small kit in the fact that I haven't pulled much from anywhere other than just this collection. But again, I'm slowing down and I'm not actually sure how much I'm going to get done, but I wanted to try because I do want to keep scrapping even though things are happening rapidly in my life and stuff. So thanks everyone so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.